What's good with y'all boys? So today, as y'all can tell by the video, I'm gonna be telling y'all the things that's wrong with my 750 since I got it. I know the last video I told y'all the great things about it, but let's dive into it. Let's get deep and dirty. We're gonna start tomorrow off with a cold start. Okay, so I know I said there's 7 things wrong, but I don't even think I can find 7 things wrong with the 750. So let's start off with the most obvious thing is the front trim. As you can see, it's missing the front grille and that little plastic piece that is on the front side, which they're only 50 bucks, so I wouldn't trip about that. Second thing, the paint. There's a couple of chips around the car in certain different spots. I probably can't point out all of them, but there's chips along the car, which is paint. The car is going to get wrapped. I can't tell y'all what color, but just know the car will be getting wrapped. The third thing is the spoiler, or you can say deck lip that the car came with. There's sunspots like this, that, but like I said, that's not that bad because the car is going to be getting wrapped, which that's going to be getting wrapped black. But as far as the whole car, comment below colors y'all think I should wrap the car, and I might take into consideration. But let's get back onto looking. Like I said, there's not. Oh, the inner liner of the front wheels. There's missing clips. I don't know why. So it rubs when you turn. I guess the wheels are 19s. We're gonna get into that because I have something to show y'all too. Performance wise, one of the last things that I would say for this car that I found to be a problem is, well, I can't necessarily show y'all because it's underneath, is the oil level sensor. I don't know for y'all out there, but my oil level sensor went out. Kept telling me to add 2 quarts of oil, add 2 quarts of oil, added 2 quarts of oil. Light's still there. The part's only $50, and I'm a mechanic, which y'all will find out later. So I'm not too worried about that. I'm gonna change that. I'll be telling y'all a list of maintenance I've done so far. That's gonna be for next video. But like I said, this car, for it being under 10K, only finding 5 or 6 things wrong with it, that's under 100 bucks. It was a great deal. And for those who say 750s aren't reliable, 4.4 V8s aren't reliable, your maintenance isn't reliable. Blame yourself. The way you treat the car is the way it will treat you. I've driven this car almost 2,000 miles already, and it's been a blast. I like it. I'll be telling y'all the ownership. I wanted a 750 in another video. But as far as that, there's the 5 things that are wrong with my car. And I'll see y'all